So welcome students for this foundation class. Today we are going to look at a portion called deductions. Deductions, deductions. Okay. Don't bother about the meaning of these things, but we will straight away go to the problem. Normally they will give two sentence, two statement you can call it, and based on that you have to derive the third statement. It is related to your Venn diagram, which we have seen some time back. Some Venn diagram we have seen related to that, but it's much easier than that Venn diagram. So two statements are given. The answer is the conclusion. From the two statements can we conclude something? Okay. For example, statement 1. All dogs are cats. No, don't reason out. How come dog become cat? Not like that. You say all dogs are cats. Statement 2. All cats are pigs. So what is the conclusion we can draw? Let us say all dogs are cats. All cats are pigs. The conclusion can be drawn. All dogs are pigs. Can we say that? All dogs are pigs?
Yes, sir.
Because the dogs is a subset of cats. Dogs is a subset of cat, and cat is a subset of pig. If you put a small circle, that is dog, and one outer circle, that is cat, and next outer circle, that is pig. So obviously dog is also a subset of pig. Am I correct? All of you are able to understand? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Let us say there are
So,
three circles.
yes,
The
sir.
innermost circle is dog, the next circle is cat, and the next outermost circle is pig. So we can say all dogs are cats, all cats are pigs. Then the conclusion is all dogs are pigs. Okay. But this is the very simplest form of this. Suppose if it is like this, some dogs are not cats, all cats are pigs. I am going to give you two statements. Statement 1 is some dogs are not cats. Statement 2, all cats are pigs. Then how do you arrive at the conclusion? You should not use common sense here. If you use common sense, you may go wrong. Even though we have to use common sense, but here we have some formula for it. Any such problem are called deductions, and we have some kind of a rule. I won't say formula. We have some kind of a rule for deduction. If you understand the rule, you can easily solve any amount of problem, any difficult problem, difficult question in deductions. Okay? Understood? Can we go to those rules and regulations?
Yes, sir.
Before we go to rules and regulations, let us see. Oh, 1 minute. I think they are coming, so we will admit them. Kavinaya, you are familiar with deductions?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, then you should keep quiet in this class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but you listen to it, and then when somebody cannot answer, you can answer. Because I remember. I think we have taken deductions for maybe some other class, not in this foundation class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
4 types of statements are given. All dogs are cats. This kind of statement can be called universal positive statement. Because why it is universal? All means all the dogs in the universe. So that is the universal, and it's a positive statement. There is no or not, does not, all those things are not there. Not is not there, so it is a positive statement. So we can call all dogs or cats as universal positive statement. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go next. No dogs or cats. This is also universal statement because no dog in the universe, that means, but it is a negative statement because no has come. So no dogs or cats are called or can be classified as universal negative statement. Some dogs or cats. Neha, some dogs or cats, we are going to classify this as particular positive statement. It is not universal because we said only some. So anything, some or many comes, then you can call it a particular statement. And there is no negative, so you can say positive statement. Some dogs or cats are particular positive statement. And some dogs are not cats, are called particular negative statement. Now, Kavinaya, can you read this slide?
Yes, sir. Two statements are given. The answer is the conclusion. For example, statement 1, all dogs are cats. Statement 2, all cats are pigs. Conclusion is all dogs are pigs. Four types of statements.
One minute, one minute. Yeah, four types of statements, correct. Carry on.
Yes, sir. Universal positive.
One minute,
All
we will admit that person also. Hmm.
all dogs are cats. Universal negative. No dogs are cats. Particular positive. Some dogs are cats. Particular negative. Some dogs are not cats.
Okay, I am going to make a statement. You have to tell me which type of statement is this. Many dogs are cats. What is the type of statement is this? Many.
Particular positive, sir.
Particular positive statement, correct. Because many and some all are same. Or if instead of some or many, you may get a few dogs or cats. Then also it is called particular positive statement. A few, some, many, several, all these things will be called particular positive, particular statements. Okay, and here it is positive. Okay, we'll go to the rules. All of you listen to these rules. These rules are very important. Once you know these rules, any type of problem you can answer in deductions. Deduction is possible only when there are two statements. If you only when they give two statements, from that you can deduce something and arrive at the third statement. Okay, all of you please come in time because don't come late. My God, again one person coming. Yeah. So we will admit them. This time, today we will admit them. But see, next time onwards, you please come by 6:35 itself. Now it's 6:57. Sir, 6:45 itself. Deduction is possible only when there are two statements, three terms and one common term. What does it mean? Let us look at. See, in these two statements, statement 1 and statement 2, there are two statements? Yes. How many terms are there? Dog is one term, cat is one term, pig is another term. So how many terms are there? Three terms are there. Dog, cat, pig. Is there a common term for the both the statement? For statement
Cat.
one, yeah, cat is a common term. Only when you have this, deduction is possible. Okay, that is the rule number one. The rule number one says deduction is possible only when there are two statements, three terms, and one common term. If one statement is negative, then conclusion is negative. If one of the two statements is negative, then conclusion is negative. If one statement is particular, then conclusion is particular. What is particular? It may start with some or many, a few, several. All these things are called particular statements. If one statement is particular, then conclusion is particular. If both are negative or both are particular, then conclusion is not possible. If both are negative or both are particular, then conclusion is not possible. Common term must not come in the conclusion. Common term must not come in the conclusion. Let's go back to the original example. What is the common term between these two? Statement 1, statement 2?
Cat.
Cat. So cat should not come in the conclusion. Is in the conclusion do you find cat? No. Because
No.
we have dogs and pigs, we don't have cat. So in the conclusion, the common term should not come. Okay. Now for the benefit of people who joined late,
Yeah.
I want Mr. Swastik. Swastik, are you there? What is his name? Swastik,
Yes,
no?
yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you read this slide once again?
Okay, sir. Two statements are given. The answer is the conclusion. For example, statement 1, all dogs are cats. Statement 2, all cats are pigs. Conclusion is, all dogs are pigs.
Okay.
Four types of. Yes, 4 types of statements. Universal positive, all dogs are cats. Universal negative, no dogs are cats. Particular positive, some dogs are cats. Particular negative, some dogs are not cats.
Yeah. All dogs or cats are called universal positive because all means all in the universe. That is why it is universal statement and it is a positive statement. No dogs or cats means no in the universe. I mean nothing in the universe. So it means universal statement and because it is no negative term, it's called universal negative. Some dogs or cats means particular positive and some dogs are not cat means particular negative. Okay. Now I request Nega, can you read this rules of deductions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Deduction is possible only when there are two statements, three terms, and one common term. If
Okay,
one
one minute,
statement is negative,
1 minute. I'll just show you. See, these are the two statements. Deduction is possible when there are two statements. Three terms. Here, terms are dogs, cats, and pigs are the three terms. And there is one common term. Cat is there in both the statements. So, one common term is there. Then only deduction is possible. That is rule number 1. Yeah. Read the rule number 2.
if one statement is negative, then conclusion is negative.
Very good. Yeah, carry on.
If one statement is particular, then conclusion is particular. If both are negative or both are particular, then conclusion is not possible. Common term must not come in the conclusion.
Okay, okay, that much. 1 minute. I think somebody is raising a hand or something. No, okay. Any doubt? No, we have not. No, sir. No, sir. What is no, sir? Okay, that is different. Okay, correct. So we'll go to the. Now we know the rules. We will go to the questions and try and see whether we can solve the question. No train. See here, I think one by one we'll take. I'll make it slightly bigger. First question. No train is a bus. Statement 1. Statement 2 is no bus is a truck. What is the conclusion they are asking? No train is a bus. No bus is a truck. Now,
Possible, sir.
okay. One by one. I will ask some other question. Wait. Is the first statement, what is the type of statement? First one, no train is a bus.
Negative, sir.
Universal negative. Very good. Okay.
Universal negative.
Yeah, wait. Good. Very good. No bus is a truck. What is the type of statement?
Universal negative.
Again, universal negative. Our rule says.
Universal negative.
Enough. Well, if one of you say, that is enough. I will think that all of you understood. The rule says, second rule says, if the fourth rule, if both are negative or both are particular, then conclusion is not possible. Here, both are negative, so conclusion is not possible. In this case, conclusion is not possible. Okay, second question, let us go. I mean, I think you have to put 1, 2, 3. I did not put like that. Many fathers are brothers. All brothers are priests. The first statement is many fathers are brothers. What is the type of statement is this?
Universal particular.
Just see. Many fathers are brothers.
Particular
Positive statement. Many or few or some or several, all the meaning same as far as deductions is concerned. Then all brothers are priests. What is the type of statement?
Universal positive.
Universal positive. What are the terms? What are the three terms given there? Father, brother, priest. Three terms are there. Is there a common term before both the statement?
Brothers. Yes, sir.
Brother is a common statement. So now the brother should not come in the answer. Okay, one. And it is a particular, one of the statement is particular, so the answer has to be particular. So it has to start with many, it should not contain brother, it should contain father, it should contain brother. Can you make a statement like that?
Many fathers are
Priest. Okay, many fathers are priests, or Many priests are fathers. Even like that also you can write. Okay. Why we are saying many fathers are priests? Because brothers
It
should
has to
not
be
come.
continuous, sir.
Yeah, particular positive statement. So the answer can be many fathers are priests or many priests are fathers. Okay, good. Next question will go. Some zens are esteems. Some Zens are powerful. These are car. Zen car was there. Esteem car. Now the brand models have changed. Long time back, Zen one model was there. Esteem one model was there. Some Zens are esteems. What is the type of statement?
Particulars positive, sir.
Particular positive. Some Zens are powerful.
Particular positive, sir.
Particular positive, sir.
Positive. What is a common term?
Gen, sir.
Zen. Here both are particular positive. If both are particular, what is the, yeah, you say
Deduction is not possible.
both are particular, then conclusion is not possible. Very good. So here conclusion is not possible. So the answer is conclusion is not possible. Okay, next we will go. All VCRs are VCPs. All video cassette recorders, it's like that. Video cassette recorders. Nowadays these things are not required. Earlier it was like that. Then video cassette player, video cassette, no, not video, I don't know what is that, video cassette player. So VCP. All VCRs are VCPs. What is the type of statement?
Universal positive, sir.
Universal positive. All VCPs are smuggled.
Universal positive, sir.
Okay, what is the common term?
VCP, sir.
VCP. So, what is the answer we will get? VCP
All-
should not come. Yeah.
All VCRs are smuggled.
All VCRs are smuggled is the right answer. Okay. So, okay, go to next question. Okay, next question. Here, this is a question. Some shoes are socks. Some socks are not chappals. Some chappals are candles. Here they have given three statements. My God. They have given three statements. We have understood only two statement has to be there. Then only conclusion can be drawn. That is what we have understood. Now what we should do, you take statement 1 and statement 2. Compare these two statements. Come to a conclusion. And with that conclusion, you take, you compare the statement 3 and then you come to the conclusion. Okay, let us say. First statement, all shoes are socks. What is the type of statement?
Universal positive, sir.
Okay, some socks are not chappals. Statement 2.
Particular negative, sir.
So what is the type of conclusion you will get? If one statement is particular, answer has to be particular. If one statement is negative, answer has to be negative. So what will you get?
Particular, sir.
Particular negative you should get, and the common term socks should not come. So what will be the conclusion between 1 and 2?
Some shoes are not chappals, sir.
Some shoes are not chappals is the conclusion for 1 and 2. I have already written conclusion 1 is 1 and 2. Now I am comparing statement 3 and conclusion 1 and I am getting conclusion 2. Statement 3 is all chappals are candles, that is universal positive. Conclusion 1 is yes, statement 2. You can call conclusion 1 or this is called statement 2. Some shoes are not chappal, that is particular negative. So one of the so the answer has to be particular negative and that chappal should not come. So what should be the answer? Answer has to be particular negative. Particular negative means some has to come, not has to come. Okay. Chappal should not come. What is the answer? See, I am taking these two statements. These two statements. These all chappals are candles that and some shoes are not chappals. I have taken these two statements. In this, chappal is common term. Chappal should not come in the answer. Candle should come. Shoe should come. Some should come. Not should come. So what is the answer?
Some shoes are not candles, sir.
Some shoes are not candles or some candles are not shoes. That is also right answer. Okay? Understood all of you? Any doubt? I can repeat, no problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir means what? Understood or not understood?
Understood.
Okay, people who have joined late, are you able to understand? Children, you tell me, are you able to understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Then we will go to
Yes, sir.
some more questions. See, some more questions are there. Let us see whether we are able to answer these questions. Okay. All books are pages. All pages are boxes. What is the conclusion?
All books are boxes,
All
sir.
pages are boxes.
All books are boxes, sir.
All pages should not come. All should come. Books should come. Box should come. So all books are boxes. Okay. Now you can ask me why not all boxes are books. Actually, that is not right answer. We will come to that later, not now. If I keep explaining that, you will have some confusion. But whenever you have a universal positive or negative conclusion, then there will not be two answers, only one answer will be there. Say for example, in this like second one, many fathers are brothers, all brothers are priests. One of the statement is particular, so here you can have two answers: many fathers are priests or many priests are fathers. But if it is if both statements are universal, for example, fourth one, all VCRs are VCPs, all VCPs are smuggled, both are universal positive, particular, both are universal positive. So here only one conclusion is possible, all VC. Here there is no two conclusions. Why no two conclusion? That I will explain later. Purjada, have you understood? Samjay?
Yes.
Pearly boys and girls, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Because see, these are
Yes,
things
sir.
will come in many exams. These things will come in CUT exam. These things will come in IAS exam. These things will come in GATE exam. Many exams. But it will not come in NEET exam. It will not come in JE exam. But this will come in BITS exam. There's a college called BITS. Have you heard of this?
Good.
Birla Institute of Technology and Science, one of the best, next to IIT. If you want to do engineering, this is the second best is Birla BITS. Then comes third best is your NITs. So if you want to appear for Birla Institute of Technology, BITS, it has got branches in Pilani, Goa, Hyderabad. In three places they have the unit. If you want to get admission to that, then you need all this reasoning also. Yes, any doubts?
And also it won't come in Olympiad exams, no, sir.
Yeah, correct. So it will not come in NEET, it will not come in JE, but it will come in BITS, it will come in IAS exam and many other exams it will come, SSC exam, etc. So that is why I don't want to miss this. I thought I will include, okay. So all books are pages, all pages are boxes. The answer is all books are pages, okay. Next, all shares are debentures. No debentures are deposits. Then what is the answer? So what is the common term?
Debentures.
Debenture. So that should not come in the answer. And one term is negative. No debenture is universal negative. So what could be the answer?
No, sir. No, shares.
Sir.
No shares or deposits, or no deposits or shares. Okay. Next. No apple is an orange. All bananas are oranges. No apple is an orange. All bananas are oranges. One statement is negative, one statement is positive. Orange is the common term. Answer has to be negative. Apple has to come. Banana has
No
to
apple
come.
is banana, sir.
Huh?
No apple is banana.
No apple is a banana or no banana is apple. So both are correct. Okay. Next, can somebody read? Nega, can you read? No ball is a bat. Can you read?
Yes. Which one?
No ball is a bat.
No ball is a bat. Some bats are stumps.
Hmm.
Is equal
Pol.
to
Enough,
some
enough,
balls
enough,
are.
enough. We will read. No ball is a bat is a negative, universal negative statement. Some bats are stumps. or particular positive statement. If one of the term is particular, answer has to be particular. So answer has to start with some or many. And one of the term is negative means answer has to be negative. So some has to come, not has to come. In both the sentences, bat is common, bat should not come, stump should come, ball should come. Now you tell me the answer. Some has to come, not has to come, bat should not come, ball has to come, stump has to come. So what is the answer?
Particular.
Some balls are not stumps or some stumps are not balls. Okay? Understood? I think
Yes, sir.
you have not understood. Some of you are finding it difficult, I think.
Yes, sir.
See, if one statement is negative, answer has to be negative. Okay. If one statement is particular, answer has to be particular. So here particular has to come, negative has to come, common term bat should not come. Then you are left with stump and ball, no problem. So that is why I ask you to follow these rules. If you use your common sense with your brain, you may go wrong. All of you can keep your mic off. So if you use your common sense, sometimes you go wrong. Don't use your common sense as far as deductions is concerned. Go by the rule. You will be sure shot. And our aim is to get maximum marks. Have you understood that? Our aim is to get maximum marks. Okay. Next, can any Parli students read except Neha?
Some shirts are shorts. No shirts are trousers.
Enough, enough. Some shirts are shorts, so it is particular positive. No shorts are trousers, it is universal negative. Answer has to be negative, answer has to be particular, then shorts should not come, shirts should come, trousers should come. Now tell me the answer. Parley students, can you try?
Some shirts are not trousers.
Some shirts are not trousers, or another answer could be some trousers are not shirts. That is also correct answer. Okay.
Trousers are not shirts.
Correct. That is also this thing. Okay. I think this much deductions. We don't have any other question. Let me see whether we have any other questions. One or two more. If it is there, I can ask that question. No, it is not there. Okay, I am going to give you one question. Listen, because I cannot. Can I write? Let me see whether I can write. Oh, sorry. I am going to give you this question. Keep watching this question. Then I think we are here. I am going to open a new slide. All snakes are pigs.
Snake.
Are pigs. This is statement 1. Statement 1. Then all bulls are all bulls are donkeys. What is the conclusion?
It is not possible, sir.
Conclusion is not possible, sir.
Why it is not possible?
It is not possible.
Because
no
it has
common
four
terms.
terms and no common terms.
Yes, no common term is there, so it is not possible. Sometimes this is one type of. Sometimes they'll cheat you like this. You will in a hurry you will say you will write something. No, that is you have to be very careful. Then next, all snakes are pigs. Okay. Then all snakes are pigs, and all bulls. Okay, same question. Same question. Same question. Options are given. See, option 1, conclusion is not possible. Option 2, all snakes are donkeys. Option 3, all bulls are pigs. Answer 4, all snakes are pigs. What is the answer?
Option 1. Conclusion is not possible.
Conclusion is not possible.
Conclusion is not possible, which I told the rule said conclusion is not possible. Second, is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Third is not possible. What about fourth?
Sir, it is statement one, sir.
See, the fourth option is nothing but statement one. When somebody says, my name is Abhinav, is there any question about it?
No, sir.
Then that is correct. So here option 4 is the answer. Hello, children, listen. They may cheat you like this. Conclusion is not possible is correct, but they have actually repeated the statement itself. Then that is the right answer. Hello. Am I making it a point?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You have to be really careful. No, of course, that kind of questions I have not given. But I have seen in some exams it has come like that. They will repeat that, this one. They will repeat the statement itself. So you need not look at any other thing. If the statement is repeated, that is the answer. Suppose you have both the statements are repeated. Normally, they don't give, or they may give like this, or all bulls are donkeys. They may give like this also. Then again, fourth is the answer. Because here statement 1 is repeated or statement 2 is repeated. So here fourth is enough. First one is not the option, is not the correct option, because the statement is repeated. So you have to be little careful on that. Okay. So can we go to next something else? You are very now thorough with this? Or okay? I mean, to some extent. To some extent, I think you are okay with this. I'm sure. Okay, can we go to next? I think I'm just seeing whether any more questions related to that is there or not. Let me see. If it is there, we will cover that also. In this slide, if we have something like that, no, it's not there. They are totally different. Okay, now we'll go to a chapter called Simple Interest and Compound Interest. We'll go to a chapter called Simple and Compound. Have you studied this simple interest and compound interest?
Yes, sir.
I think in your 8th or 9th you would have studied like that. Simple interest, normally, simple interest you will refer as SI, and principal is P, interest interest rate is I, number of years is N, rate of interest simple interest is just interest, rate of interest is R. So the formula says simple interest is equal to P into N into R by 100. Okay, this is the formula. Using this formula you can arrive at the answers. Now first question, can anybody read? Kavinaya, you can read.
Yes, sir. Simple interest. Principal P. Interest I. Number of years N. Rate of interest per annum R. Simple interest I is equal to P into N into R divided by 100, which is equal to PNR by 100.
Okay.
R is equal to I into 100 by P into N.
Yeah, so this is PNR by 100 everybody knows. Now the question is, find the simple interest on a principal of 1000 at an interest rate of 6% per annum for a period of 18 months. What is the answer you are getting? Calculate and let me know. PNR by 100. You put PNR by 100. What is P?
Principal, sir.
No, what is the amount? Principal.
1000, sir.
1000. What is R? Rate of interest.
Rate of interest per annum.
What is the value?
6%.
What is the value of N? What is the value of n? Is it 18?
Number of
18
months.
months.
Yes, it
Number
is
of
18.
years they have given in months.
18 months.
So the months you
18
have to
months.
convert
18
into
months.
years. 18 months is equal to how many? 18 months is equal to how many years?
1.5.
One and a
One
half
and a
years.
half
So
years.
you have to put
1.5 years.
PNR by 100, 1000 into 1.5 into 6 divided by 100. How much you are getting? Let's see.
90.
90. Here, what will happen is
90.
many of our children will do instead of 1.5, they'll put 18 and calculate. Then you get the interest much more than the
90.
principal. Can interest be more than the principal?
No, sir.
You have to
No,
little bit common sense also you should use. Okay, second question you do on your own. All of you you do on your own. I am just second question. I am erasing that calculation. You do on your own. Take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, and then you.
rupees
Uh,
5,000.
can anybody read the question once from the Parley side?
If rupees 5,000 becomes rupees 5,700 in a year's time, what is rate of interest?
Very good. So now you think and do on your own. Then let us see.
It is
You
equal
take
to
1 or 2 minutes.
rupees.
Nothing wrong. Take some time and do it. Don't be in a hurry. So here,
14%.
what is P?
Sir, 14.
What is P?
14%.
T is 5,000.
5,000.
14%.
What is this 5,700?
Sir, it is the total amount with the principal and the interest.
Okay, so what is the interest then?
700.
From
5,700 and plus
5,700, you have to minus that 5,000.
14%.
Then you will get 700. So 700 is the interest. I is 700. N is 1. In a year's time means 1 year. In a year's time means 1 year. And then now you calculate R. PNR by 100 equal to interest. You calculate, are you getting how much? How much you are getting?
14%.
14%. All of you are getting 14%?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Anybody has got some difficulty, you can let me know, because sometimes they may give like this and you have to find the exact this one. Okay, let's go to one more problem. I don't know what is this. Okay, compound interest means what? Okay, they've given in this, okay, compound P equal to 1000, R equal to 6%. Then they wanted to know what is the compound interest for 2 years. No, I think what is the compound interest for 2 years? They are asking for 2 years. First, you find for 1 year. What is the interest for 1 year? P is 1000, R is 6%. What is the interest for 1 year? Interest for 1 year? PNR by 100. P into 1 into R by 100. How much you are getting? 60. Isn't it? First 1 year you will get 60. For the second year, what you should do is, you have to find another P. That the new P for the second year is 1000 plus the 60 you have to add. So for the second year, the P is 1060, N equal to 1, R equal to 6%. Now you find PNR by 100 for the second year. 1060 into 1 into 6 divided by 100. How much you are getting? Thousand sixty into 1 into So how much you are getting?
63.60, sir.
63.6. So what is the total interest for 2 years in the compound interest basis?
63.60.
What is the total interest for 2 years?
123.6.
Yeah, 60 plus 63.6, 123.6%.
123.6.
Okay, now you find what is the interest for the third year. You find out on your own. Third year, what is the principal? First year principal was 1000, second year principal was 1060, third year principal will be third year principal, that's
1123.6.
1123.6 is the third year principal. So for third year ka interest is 1123.6 into 1 into 6 by 100. How much you are getting? Just calculate yourself. Welcome, madam. நான் இன்னொரு கிளாஸ்ல இருக்கேனா அதனால தான் நான் இது ஆஃப் பண்ணி வச்சிருந்தேன் வேற ஒன்றும் இப்போ அது முடிய போகுது 7:40 முடியும் அது இந்த 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இந்த 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்டுக்கு எடுக்கிறோம் இல்லையா ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கிளாஸ் அந்த கிளாஸ் நடந்துட்டு அப்புறம் நாங்கள் இந்த சண்டே we are starting a new class for foundation class for Kerala students. அந்த அந்த இது குரூப்ல போடலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஏதோ அதில் போட்டிருக்கோம் பார்த்தீங்க இல்லையா அது நடத்துகிறோம் பார்க்கலாம் அது நம்ம அன்னபூர்ணி வந்து மலையாளம் தெரியும் மலையாளம் தெரியும் இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே எடுக்கலான்ட்டு நம்ம பிளான் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கிளாஸ் அது 10th லெவல் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி ஃபிசிக்ஸ் எல்லாமே சயின்ஸ் தானே நல்லா எடுத்து பார்க்கலாம் அவங்க அதெல்லாம் சூஸ் பண்ணாங்க அப்புறம் அடுத்த வருஷம் பார்த்துக்கலாம் நீட்டெல்லாம் அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலான்ட்டாங்க நல்லது தான் அப்படின்ட்டு எடுக்கலான்ட்டு ஓகே தேங்க்யூ மேடம் நீங்கள் பார்த்துக்கங்க. So you have got the answer? 1123.6 into 1 into 6 by 100, you are getting 67.41. So now the total interest will be 60 plus 63.6 plus 67.41. So you are getting 191.01. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the compound interest for 3 years is 191.01. But simple interest for 3 years is 180. Simple interest for 3 years is 60 plus 60 plus 60, 180. Compound is 191.01. So the compound interest is always more than the simple interest. Okay, this you should keep in your mind. The compound interest is always, even for the 2 years, even for 2 years, the total simple interest is 60 plus 60, 120. Whereas the compound interest 60 plus 63.6, 123.6. So the compound interest is always more than the simple interest. This you should keep in your mind because this will be useful for many other calculations. Okay. So thank you so much. We'll close at this today. We will meet in the next Thursday. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
There is a formula for
Okay, sir.
compound interest that we will take it up in the next class.